Artificial intelligence is redesigning our entire system. It's a new way of doing things. It is also a new landscape that is exploding.
I want to learn the latest development and better understand how AI is changing our media industry.
I think what makes this course especially unique is because we're always hands-on. We talk about the concept, of course, we talk about the machine learning techniques and the fundamentals of how this AI functions, but most of the time we ask our students to really embrace these AI tools and to test out what they can do and also really be strategic about it, because people can use AI doesn't mean it's right to use AI all the time. And also we have lots of industry guest speakers from like Google, the front line of AI agent building systems, people who are actually building them, to come in to talk to the students, to really show them what are the future, where we're heading to. And also our students get to really experience what is the collaborative learning with AI, which is to not just work with human, but also work with AI in their classroom.
I would describe this class as insightful, practical, and really eye-opening.
One skill I really hope my students can learn and get from this class is to be able to be forward-thinking. Although the AI is not there yet, but when they are there, what should we do about it?